Right, so once you've judged your reaction to be completed via TLC, you can work it up. I'm just going to ask you to look at your flask. So this is my flask. I won't tell you how long we've left it, but after a certain amount of time, it kind of now sits as a suspension. So I feel that has completed as a reaction cycle, but we now need to work this up. So prepare the acid and the water together in a flask and let it chill in the ice bath. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to then quench the reaction by pouring your organic mixture into here. You note it fizzes. The acid is there to take care of the excess borohydride and as well to provide a proton to quench the alkoxide that you form. So we'll just put that in there. We're asked now to leave it for a period of time for it to form a suspension, but we can already see a suspension forming at the bottom here. So I'll put my hand on my glove there, we can already see that. So what do we want to do? Take some of the chilled water, just rinse any organic molecule from the inside of the flask. Just rinse very carefully with the minimum amount of water. Pour it into here. Again, we'll give it a quick rinse. We want to transfer all the organic out of here into our mix. Done with that. So now we're getting ready after a few moments to do a Buckner filtration. So again, with the cold water, just wet down the filter paper. The vacuum's on. Just pat down the filter paper, and in time you're ready then to pour into here. So you should, I'm going to stop at this point, but we should have a crystal suspension that forms once the suspension's in here. We filter through. Okay, so this is the next part, and this is to work up, and you're asked to then to wash the inside of this with the minimum amount of cold water via the Buckner funnel, and you'll have your product which should air dry for 10 minutes. And that's the first part of your practical done. Okay, so we're now finished.